Hello, everybody, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 12th August. Then, first of all, national news. Parliament approved Manipur budget and key bills for 2025 to 26. Uttarakhand search and relief operations continue in Dharali, Harsal. Orange alert issued for heavy rainfall. PM Modi spoke to Ukraine President Zelensky, asserts need for early resolution of conflict. Parliament passed bill to readjust scheduled tribe representation in Goa Assembly. No proposal under consideration for restoration of old pension scheme, Nirmala Sitharaman. ECI began process of delisting another 476 registered unrecognized political parties. Now, international news. India sent 5 tons of cowpea seeds to Fiji as humanitarian aid. Australia to recognize Palestinian state in historic diplomatic move. IAEA's deputy chief to visit Tehran. India reaffirmed commitment to Yemen in high-level Riyadh meeting. Germany halts arms exports to Israel, citing concern over Israel's military expansion plan in Gaza. Now, sports news. World Games, India's Namrata Batra made history as she reached Wushu 52 kg final. Anu Rani won gold in women's javelin throw at Indian Open 2025 World Athletics Continental Tour bronze meet. India sent 4-member team to inaugural Asia Pacific Mid Amateur Golf Championship. Indian women pugilist Nisha and Muskan bagged gold medal at Under 19 Asian Boxing Championships in Bangkok. Now, business related news. Mutual fund equity inflow soared to record 42,702 crore in July. Combination of factors to determine impact of Trump tariff on Indian exports, Minister of State for Finance Ministry. ICICI Bank focused on maintaining low-cost funding profile, Chairman. And that's all in news. Thank you.